Welcome to American military dominance. For decades, one of the most dangerous jobs on the battlefield was driving a supply truck or scouting ahead of the main force. But what if the next generation of frontline vehicles had no soldiers inside to risk? The US military is rolling out its answer: autonomous ground vehicles designed to go where humans can't, or simply shouldn't. And these aren't just remote-controlled toys. They are AI-driven machines making their own life or death decisions. Today, we're breaking down the revolutionary new prototypes that are about to change ground warfare forever. The nature of war is changing, and fast. Recent conflicts have made it brutally clear. Logistics and reconnaissance units are top-tier targets. They're incredibly vulnerable to ambushes, IEDs, and sophisticated drone attacks. Every supply run and every scouting mission is a gamble with soldiers' lives. For years, the Army's solution was just to build bigger, heavier, and more armored trucks. But that strategy has its limits. The new game plan isn't about better armor. It's about removing the soldier from the vehicle entirely. This is a tactical and moral shift, all made possible by artificial intelligence. So, how is the Army making this happen so quickly? Instead of spending decades designing massive robotic tanks from scratch, it's flipping the script. The Army is now aggressively partnering with commercial tech startups to get autonomous vehicles into the field, fast. The new plan is to integrate sophisticated AI brains into flexible, and in some cases, disposable or attritable vehicles. These systems are lighter, cheaper, and can be deployed on a much larger scale than traditional combat trucks. The heart of this revolution is AI-driven software, like the Overdrive system from a company called Unmanned AI. This tech lets a vehicle tear across complex, off-road terrain with no human driver, no GPS, and no communication link back to base. Using a suite of sensors like cameras and LiDAR, these vehicles see the world, identify obstacles, and make their own tactical decisions on the fly. That is the secret sauce for operating on a battlefield where GPS is jammed and communications are down. First up is a machine that's been making serious waves in Army testing, the Ultra from Unmanned AI. This vehicle was recently put through its paces during the Agile Spirit 25 exercise in Europe. The Ultra is a fully autonomous, all-wheel drive beast that can hit 35 miles per hour, carry a 1,000-pound payload, and has a range of about 100 miles. During those tests, it successfully ran resupply missions for mortar units, navigating rugged and dense forests all by itself. But the design is modular. Unmanned AI is already showing off versions for medical evacuation, counter-drone defense, and spy missions. Most importantly, the Ultra is designed to be attritable, costing a fraction of a traditional armored vehicle. It's a huge shift, allowing commanders to take risks with machines instead of people. While Unmanned AI is focused on smaller, nimble scouts, Oshkosh Defense is going big. At the AUSA 2025 exposition, Oshkosh rolled out its family of multi-mission autonomous vehicles, or FMAV. These are not small drones. They're built on the chassis of battle-proven military trucks, like the FMTV A2. The lineup includes the MMAV, designed for missions like automated resupply, or even as a mobile rocket launcher. But the headliner was the Extreme Multi-Mission Autonomous Vehicle, the XMAV. Oshkosh showcased this monster equipped with 4 Tomahawk land attack cruise missiles. The XMAV is a purpose-built autonomous launch system designed to carry the heaviest payloads and support the future of long-range precision fire, all while being able to operate with or without a crew. These two vehicles are just the beginning. The Army has already awarded a $15.5 million contract to Unmanned AI, along with startups Forterra and Scout AI, to rapidly integrate their self-driving tech onto the existing infantry squad vehicle. The goal is to get these new prototypes into the hands of soldiers for real-world testing by May 2026. At the same time, university labs are tackling some of the biggest challenges. Purdue University is working on a $1.5 million Army project to develop teams of aerial drones and ground robots that can navigate and map complex terrain without GPS. In this setup, the drone acts as the scout from above, while the ground vehicle serves as the navigator, creating a powerful team that can build a 3D map of its surroundings in real time. The strategic impact here is massive. We're talking about creating force multipliers, where one soldier can oversee a whole network of autonomous vehicles doing everything from logistics to reconnaissance to even direct combat. These systems can operate 24/7, keep supplies flowing to the front, and scout ahead of manned units to ensure there's no blood in the first contact. Thank you for watching American Military Dominance, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. We'll see you next time.